Yeah, thank you. This is Johar Ali, Vice Chancellor, UIT University. I heard the last part was consistent policies, but I think at the moment the policies has to evolve and more into enabling policies or enabling environment. What do you think about that? Thank you.
Who is the question for, sir?
For anyone of us?
Mr. Tariq, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, absolutely. No, I guess I totally agree with you. And obviously, enabling policies is the first step, and the consistency comes after that. Actually, when you look at the Companies Act and the Constitution and at the like all the policies for power sector, for different sector, policies are there. I guess the real problem in Pakistan is the implementation of it. So enabling policies, yes. If like as of now, if you ask me if anywhere where policy is needed, that's on the use of technology, on the AI and machine learning. You have no idea that where world is heading. We are 250 million population, and with the use of technology, there will be new roles created, obviously, but there would many roles be going out. But on the other side, I think there are policies, there are very clear frameworks available. The previous generation has done a decent job. I won't say that bad. I guess it's just this era where we have decided not to implement on those policies. So no one asked us, like for example, we brought in CPEC in 2014, and I met the China Harbor's deputy CEO, and he told me, Shamoon, we want to invest in every sector of Pakistan, food, textile, cement, electricity, everything. They ended up buying few. So they got Masood Textile, they got, they did a DD on Fuji Foods, they did a Century paper. They also bid for Karachi Electric, but ultimately nothing happened. So we brought them over a certain return that this is what you will be given. And 3 years or 4 years down with the new government, we went back to them and we said, okay, we can't honor the previous commitment. And they went back. So we didn't see any progress. So we now have those power plants. We can't use that electricity. And now we are asking for more FDI. So for example, if I'm $1 billion investor, do you have any asset that I can invest $1 billion right now? Nothing. So yeah, enabling policies definitely, but I think just implementation of the policy and stick to it. It doesn't matter whose government that is. Just stick to it. You have made a commitment to foreign investors. And if only we fix that, just from my own experience, I think maybe 20, 30, $40 billion into FDI would not be an issue. The world is flushed with liquidities, looking for opportunities. We have to make ourselves attractive enough.
Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।